Shower right here, open face, see right into the room. Trying to make it nice and sleek. Got the more amenities right here. Momo, good size shower. Just a step up, no door. Yeah, okay. Try to be a sleek spot. Come on into the room. Got your built out closet. Nice steamer. Got that plum color. Again, some more. Safe, whatnot. And this is what the room looks like. Nice floor to wall ceiling. Bed, floating bed, however you call that style. Got some side tables. Some deeper dark colors. Sitting room right there. Good size TV, some more accents on the wall. And that's a Nespresso machine for those coffee drinkers out there. Got one of these open face, I guess, desk type thing. Put your stuff in. That's kind of cool with that, more of that color going on. And then a Atlanta room with a mini bar, it seems. Got the Tito's in there. The Jack Daniels. They even have a shaker. That's cool. I wonder if there's a mini, and then there's a mini fridge for your own stuff. Oh, actually, no, they have, wow. Yeah, you can purchase some of that if you want. Of course, it's expensive. This is the room. Got a view of the city a little bit. Gloomy day. This is that neighborhood. Nothing really down on the street level. Not much food and restaurants or whatever, but we here.